Food in one liquor, you know, people. And I over packet that I come out of my pocket, you know, people. So don't get it. Okay. What's up, YouTube? What's up? It's your boy, Director J. You know, representing for 416-876 Jamaica. We're in the building. And yeah, I just want to like take the time out. It's gonna be my first vlog, okay, people? So just take a time with me and just like give me a chance on YouTube and thing, cause like I don't really do YouTube, but like a lot of people wanted me to do YouTube right now because I'm building a house in Jamaica and I have a lot of knowledge that I wanted to share with my people. Introducing you guys to me, your boy Director J out here. I'm a photographer, director, truck driver, all of them things I will soon get in, you know. We live in Toronto, Canada. Alright, people, and you know how hard it is if you try to build a place from foreign, what them call it, you understand? So I just take the time out for sure, you know, or go into some information and some advice of how you can build a place like this in a Jamaica too. I'm going to show you in the video them and the picture them I have when me there Jamaica, you know, but me build my place in a COVID time, you know, in 2021. Alright, people. So I'll go over a couple of details. If you don't have any question or no want to ask me or anything like that, you just let me know and I will be here to answer them at the end of the day. You understand? But we'll kick it off with like, first thing first, if you're going to try to build a house in Jamaica, you have to understand, not even build or buy, you have to understand, say, you have to need a large sum of money at the beginning. I miss a large sum of money, you know. It all depends if I build or build or buy, you buy. You understand? Because if you go build a house and you live over here, so you know, remember, you know, unless you go build it one time, you know, you better bring all of the money there, you know. Because see, when you have to depend on family, friends and people, you better take it out of your mind. So I'm telling you some little advice here and there, and I'm going to show you my experience of building my place also. I'm going to show you some behind the scenes, some pictures and some video, because I never know, so I never come sit down and do this, you understand? And me just say, you know what, I need to change it up and give the people them some advice with my knowledge, what me learn on the go. And we're back again, my people. Sorry, I just cut out for a bit, but we just want to give you some key important advice. Number one, if you think to build or buy a house in Jamaica, and you say you live at Toronto, or you live anywhere, Miami, Florida, you call it. Anywhere you live in a foreign, England, America, Europe, anywhere you live, you better get yourself down at Jamaica. Not follow what nobody wants to say, you know. Me I tell you that. You better get yourself at Jamaica. You understand? Because, you see, if you not do them things, if you're not there at Jamaica and you go buy land, people can tell you what they must sell you know. You understand? And then when you finally reach Jamaica and take the time off, reach Jamaica, I'm gonna come show you one little piece of land when I tell you say a $5 million farm. Like that gonna make sense. And when I show you video and picture, everything look dandish and everything look loud. And you say, yeah, you get a value for your money and all sort of thing. You reach a Jamaica now, you find out say a garbage people them sell you. Because you weren't there. So all heap of people lose in the beginning, you know, and get scared out, you know. And then some of the people them to also them waste them time and send the money go give family members. Oh, we think they're on our side, you know. You understand? We think the family member they're on our side. Sorry again, people, but we're back and we're live, you know. 416-876 Jamaica, loud, you know. Like me say, our first episode, we just attack, you know, people. We just attack. But I kick it off again and telling you, know, I can't send no money to friends and family and think them having 100% to that. You're going to learn the hard way. I will heap of videos I see on YouTube where people are bash them friends and family. I say, oh, them rob up with money and this and that. Like, I go tell you my experience what happened to me, you know, because I go act like me a golden boy or golden child of what wanna really happen to me, you know. You understand? Okay, we're back again, my people. Some people that cut up some show. But yes, we're back again for talking, you know, people. We're back again. Like me tell you, say, first episode, and we get down to the nitty gritty, you know. We just kick it off just and simple and plain. Like we're just staying at the park right now, you know. Have myself a local beer. Yes, man, people, you can have yourself a local beer when you're in Toronto. And don't get it twisted, you know, people. If you want me to show you most of the Toronto content when I'm here, like the parks in Toronto, downtown Toronto, the neighborhood in Toronto, and all of those stuff for the Jamaican audience or the Caribbean audience or wherever audience who wants the lifestyle in Toronto. You understand? So now like we can show you that, because like I say, the channel is called 416 to 876 Jamaica. Alright. Yes. Like I say, people, the channel is called 416 to 876 Jamaica at the end of the day. Right? So if you have no friends and family who want to try to see any content like this, showing off Toronto, Canada, because we are go all over Canada one of them days, you know, people. You understand? But back on topic, with people who sending their money to Jamaica and thinking everything's gonna be dandy shandy. Everything won't be dandy shandy. Depends. Like we are trying to put art in, you know, people. With art in our family and friends sometime, you know. I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. It's hard, you know. If you put your art and trust on the people and then they screw you over, you know, because you say, yo, no sir, Benny and Jerry, nah do that to me. Kevin or Bobby, nah do that to me. And at the end of the day, Kevin and Bobby and Jerry just look out for them own greedy needs also. Because, you know, for instance, I watch YouTube one of them day, yeah. And a lady there tell her story how she sent over $500,000 to Jamaica, you know, to her brother, you know, to build a place, you know. And then look, man, and then wanna send a picture to the woman and all sort of thing, you know, people. Lord of God. The woman, so when she go down there, she got the house. And the people them all over the house. I say, listen, this is not your property. But she said, no, my brother said. People them show all proof and document and say, what is this? The lady say her brother, they Jamaican floss off her money. Why? Because she couldn't be there, people. So that you have to understand. When you're building a place overseas, you have to take the time. Either 1 week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks or a month, you can go for. You take the time and go. Now depend upon the family member if you do nothing for you. I tell you that straight, because at the end of the day, it's not their project. So them not gonna look upon it or care about it. Oh, you are gonna look upon it and care about it. You understand? So we are gonna go and throughout the video, we are gonna go and show you some clip of what me did when I went to Jamaica last year, 2021, in a COVID time, you know. Remember, you know. So finally buy my own piece of land in Jamaica, people. Look at it. You know what's come next after that? Start building. Alright, and everybody don't know, don't tell them story what we did for a long time, right? So we're wrapping now. So I learned we buy it just to call them. My next piece we never bother buy it because they might argue with me and this and that. I want to give it garbage and hilltop. So I buy, cause them so land go down here by one by square, you know, just sell so. So this right here, so we get now and stuff and go back up here, so alright. So this is the land right now. What we get? All of we see. But this is really better land. And about way up here, so we I get to go straight back up to. Yeah, got 1.5 square. So we're gonna way up here, so we can still build what we need to build and get it done. All of this is our one. Right here, so on the road just the right there, so now, so easy. See car there out the front right there, so So we not have to build no road or pay nothing. We just can go straight in. Can build up the wall and block it run and just go straight in from it. So yeah, so that's the line there. Going there from this mango tree. From this mango tree here, so I'll go back down there. So all of this are our front part, right? So see road there now, uncle, so you can see it. So right there, so all right up in there, so our one right there now. Go down to the tree there, right there, so the coconut tree, go right back up in there, so and stuff, and then right off a road, with them a build road for come down in this area. So right there's a land there. More money man wants to live out and give you a deal. So this side right that's a man. Now it man. Way better than what we'd get to from before. Orange Street that, you know. And the work begins, people. Now come down at the laugh, you know, people. Come down at the work and get things done. So you do things at Jamaica, people. Now come to laugh around here. See, online, when we are watch online and the people who are show off the land them online, it's not the same deal for us. You understand? So you have to remember that too, you know, people. So, how me find my land, you know, this other land when I go show in the video. Right now, you know. Me and my father and sister and uncle jump in the car, you know, people. That me make you know, you know, my father say, yo, son, we go just drive around. I have some different areas I want to show you where you can look for land. And people, all me do here down there, you know, I drive around for about 2 days, people. 2 days. Remember me tell you that. 2 days me drive around for. And then we reach a place called Jericho. For Jericho I buy my land. Out of Linstead bypass area. Not in Linstead town, but a place called Jericho at the end of the day. Right? So we are drive, go around in a circle, multiple circle, we can't end, you know, people. And them send me this, them say a new housing scheme I build up around one area. We call up at Jericho. I can't remember what Orange Field it must be name, right? And them say, oh, a new housing scheme I go build up around there. So you know, drive around there and see if them have no land. We go around there. The land sell off. So we meet one lady and the lady I say, no man, the land is sell off around here, you know. I don't know if the lady name want to buy no land, you know. So she tell us so. No, she tell us her land. Because she want to buy fair land and the land beautiful, you know, be a coconut trees, people. Me say, if I have the video clip, I can show you, I go show you to you, alright? But people, when I say be a coconut trees, you know, man. And she send all of it, you know, about a couple acres of land, you know, people. And plus have a mountain top view, you know, people. Lord of God. When we see that, you know. And then now the paperwork to start and the money transaction to start, and we got the JP also. So remember, you know, you have to get the documents them properly, you know, people. When you now go through no lawyers and you have to buy things from people hands on with cash, you know, people. You have to have the JP involved, you know. You have to have a surveyor involved, you know. So the JP was a surveyor also. Not really a fully surveyor, because we get the land survey out. I'm going to show you down the line next episodes. Right, how me handle business in a Jamaican. And if you want any advice or tips, you want to hit me up, you can even book me for go down there too. For go find a land for you and send the videos and picture and video call you and make sure everything you have to do it. Remember, you know, we're living in the age of technology, people. You want everything recorded on video. You know, no hearsay, no base, no lace, no them say. You want to make sure everything say right and correct way. You understand me, people? So now we are drive around, you know, people. I take a look at a beer break. Alright, my people? Woo. Certain people, but you don't know me there at the park like I told you guys. I mean, I don't try to do a first vlog. You know, no. Vlogging things different, you know, if you just sit down and you're talking on the mic like you talk to yourself, you understand? Some know me understand what the vloggers them go through. Because like I said, I'm a first vlog this, you know, people. Alright. So, we did here drive around, you know, people, and I drive around until about 5-6 o'clock come now, you know, so curfew at 8 o'clock. So everybody I get upset and I get pissed off, and then I find out old man now. And look at old man and say, no man, I can't leave without the land, you know. You understand? And look at old man say, me know me I go bring you, see them piece of land up here, so them are selling, I must see 2 more pieces left, but I lie, people. The man in the have about 8, 9 pieces of acre of land I sell it. Me say, Lord of God. Although me never buy no acre of land, people. A 2 square, me like a piece of land me buy up there, so, because the price them expensive. But the price them not that expensive. Don't lie me go know the price I'm pay, but we're not really we're not gonna really put it on the ear like that, because you don't know, and have a private message me and thing like that, or and me go know the price, because the price that me get for my piece of land, it's a stealer. And that's why I try to tell you, say, you have to drive and go look around, not take no ears and remember, people, this land wasn't up for sale or no sign or anything, because if it's up for sale and sign, it's going to cost me twice as much the price. You understand? Lord of God. When I see the lot of people, coconut tree, mango tree, apple, not apple tree, or the pear tree, or the next thing they call orange tree. You have one next thing we call, I can't. Alright, people, look like the lighting I get bad right here, so so I'm have to go move position right here now. And people, you're wondering what camera I'm using. It's called a DJI Pocket 2. Alright, but the camera mostly pick up good nice sunlight. You understand? So that's why, if it's too bright, my apologies. Okay? But right now we are walking through the park, people. And I go show now 1, 2, But not really too much because I can't put people in the videos and things like that, because you don't know YouTube policies, set up and thing. But back on topic, people. We say we're the back on topic. You understand? So now, I meet an old boy. Lord of God, an old boy, I call him, because the old boy then every time, Mr. People, every time I go walk up at the land, and him will see, and him want food, him want liquor, people. And I over pocket that I come out. My pocket, people. So don't get it twisted, I say when you go to Jamaica, people, everything I come out of your pocket. Friends, family, father, mother, granny, any food for buy from them the on road with you, people. Just know, say, out of your pocket I got burn, You understand? So, when you have budget, you just budget for, them miscellaneous things and that. You make you know, because it's not going to be easy for you. You have to go, when you build a house or buy a look, you have to come right. So we are going back on the topic, people, because you don't know, so the topic we still talk about, So now, we go so now, we meet a man, we now call the people them name at the end of the day. We meet a man and man say, yes, we have the land to sell. He say, okay, first, I have to go see my father first, because he have to approve the purchase of the land, but it's in his name, right? Because about 4 brothers of them, people. And they say the whole of them sell off the land, them like, hey, me say them sell off the land, them, And them are getting an argument with each other, because sometimes them sell the land, them and they not even know which piece of land sell already, because the other brother want the money, and the next brother want the money, and I saw them sell the land, them people. So now, we did there, and we are go through, and I must show what land he want to sell us and things like that. And I say, no, I don't want that piece of land there. I want piece of land there, one gully. You buy that, your house must flood out. You understand? So I say, no, I don't want that. So I say, all right then. What about this piece? I say, the piece that can't work still, You understand? I say, okay, you can't get too much of this piece, because I'm a good piece of land. And I say, all right then. Go left it alone right here. So I'm selling me a next piece down the line. I got so much work I have to do to dump it up and stuff like that to get it. Oh, I want to get it. But it was still a decent piece of land, and the energy that I felt when me they write this up on the land, the people, it's a spiritual energy. So my mindset just say, yo, are you that right there? So you understand, people? So we just go to boom bam and we buy that piece of land. Wildly get the money over to them, get all paperwork to them. Me make sure, say, me have to see the entire, the original land title, people. You can't see no copy when you deal with people, So you hear me say? You can't see no copy and nothing. You want to see the original land title and feed them name on it. So when them sign, when you have to get the paper, you have to get the paper. I can't remember the paperwork, but when I find the name in our next vlog, probably I get too dark right here, so you know people, cause the lighting. You understand? But you'll still see me. Alright people. But I can't remember the paperwork that we got that they had to sign over the land too and everything like that. So we had to get I can't remember what, I think it was a pharmacy that had the paper that he told me that we had to sign, the JP had to sign, and the person who's selling us the land had to sign if you're not going through a lawyer. You understand? Can't remember the name because like it's a direct sale. We don't owe no money. And he had to show us that they own the land from the JP. So the JP said, you have to get us all these paperwork first. So you know, so you own the land. But the JP lives there for years. So he knows who own the lands around that area. So he know what I want to go on and nobody can mess with you. And say, the people, music are playing now, so I not really go around the area. So I might get cut out or stuff because you don't know YouTube policy. Go down the nitty gritty of building or purchasing or just buying a condo downtown or uptown and call it a day, you know, people, because a whole heap of work, you know, people. And the worst part, in a corona time, I go build all this house. Everything raised. Me say steel. One time a man tell me, say steel. This is before we even start cut down the land. And I just inquiry about the cement bags and this and that. Man I say, yo, you know, so last month cement was like $1,100. But at the time me ready to go build house. At $1,250 out of Livingston now, me have to buy them things you know, no. Because out there, so I go buy land in a Spanish town out of the Fields Hardware. Out of Fields Hardware was a little bit cheaper. So 1 and 2 times you take my car and I big up to cement, but you don't know, say, gas price wicked. But I lick you over, kill you down there to rotted. So you have to build, you know, people. You have to build. You have to understand all of them things here, it's an expense, you know, people. Everything is an expense, my people. What am I going to say? You understand me, people? Yeah, something happened to the camera, just square people. But everything is an expense, you know, people. So you have to understand that, you know. And every little thing's gonna cost you. So this is my advice for anyone now planning to have a own property in Jamaica while living here. Alright. First thing first. If you want to live in one property, or if a Airbnb you try to, or you just try to do a business, or you try to make a family house, it depends upon what kind of lifestyle you have. If you know you have a private lifestyle and you don't really care about seeing too much people, or you know you just go to Jamaica one time a year and that's it. And I say just get yourself a gated community house, one, or no, just get yourself an apartment, a condo. The new condos them now nice. What them a build up, you know, people? Hey, myself me have money. Hey. And then mortgage thing, but and that's a next thing too. Mortgage too, right? But if I just you and your girlfriend or your wife, are you by yourself and just want to get your foot started on an Airbnb and thing like that, you get yourself a one apartment in that Kingston. Alright, Kingston are one of the best places me think you can get an apartment in. Because right now, the price of will keep going up. St. Anne is good at Mobile, you know. But me believe Kingston because you always, and it all depends on the demographic of people. What kind of crowd you want at your place too. And all of them things you have to put in consideration at the end of the day too. Because you can say you just want somebody who just go chill and go to the beach. Then you say that get something at St. Anne. For me now, me know what type of crowd me want. More the crowd like me. You understand? Me I go to Kingston. Me know so me I go to party. Chill out with friends and family. Alright, boom. I don't spend my week. I'm gone. I want to be safe. You understand? Then you have the other elder crowd them now. They just want to chill at the beach or resort style and stuff like that, you give them a scent and vibe. You understand? The villa now where me I build, you know, it's like a 3-bedroom villa with pool and everything. Sorry, we're not gonna have enough money to build a pool this year. But like I said, I'll get down to it and show how far I reach by almost. But next couple months from now, because you don't know, so I not give away all of the videos right away and all of the stuff them we'll go through, because you don't know, so we have to start it from square one, and that's buying the land. So buying the land is starting out. Alright, like I said, people, go down there, me get my paperwork signed, my videotape, everything. I say, people, if the judge call me and say, I know my land, that people, them sue them people. Me say my videotape, jack, dick, or anything, my videotape down there, you know, people. So this are listening, you know, people. Make sure you videotape everything and save it and back it up on all a Google Drive, Apple Drive, any drive. You have evidence for the last of it ever. Me take picture everything, me videotape everything. This have to be your land, because this is not your land and you come say me other people and a judgment upon this, you know, people. Lord of God. Me say, what? Judgment upon this. Come out, hey, you know how hard it is for over here work, people. And then somebody come screw over here, look at money in a Jamaica, people. That make you not even want go back to your country, you know, people. That's how hard it is, and people, some people don't understand, you know. Some people, you see me, I got lose off topic again, you know, but some Jamaican people, Caribbean people need to build. Because at the end of the day, you know, people, we are trying to build a house over there, or try to start a business over there. And we are still a try to buy a house over here, so too. And still a try to do a business over here, so too. So at the end of the day, when you come from the Caribbean and you come overseas, you know, we're different from people who actually born here. Born in Canada, America, England. Alright? When you're born here, you know, people, it's different, because you don't care about Jamaica, you don't care about where your parents are from. But your parents care from where they're from, because they want to go back all the time. But you born here, you don't care. And that's with some people. Some people don't know, say now, as a Jamaican or a Caribbean man who come overseas, we are trying to build two things. So now it's hard upon we, even with people who live here, it's 10 times harder, because we are trying to live there and here. And some people fed up and can't even go back there. That's how hard it is. And so them have to circle and say, you know what? Just have a go to Jamaica, rent a Airbnb, go to hotel or something, because it's too hard. It's very hard, people. And some people are beg you like a blood. Don't make me swear, no, people. It's hard over here, no, people. You're not free, nothing to give away, you know. We can't beg, you know. And that may make you know, you know, people, it's wicked pan we over. So people, it's wicked pan we over here, you know, people. And me, if you tell you, you know, it's not easy, you know. You have some people who come here 20 odd years, them still can't go back, you know. Because them can't find the time and they can't find the money, you know. And them just walk. And it's worse when you left Jamaica and you have kids down there, and you have about 3-4 different baby mother. Man, stop it. Now breed up a place. Because at the end of the day, you are going to feel it wicked. It's hard, man. But I don't lose topic, you know, people. I go back one topic. Because this is just part one, you know. You see how I can chat, you know. A whole heap of things we can talk about, you know, people. A whole heap of things, you know. Because it's hurtful more time, you know. You send your money to a yard. Say, you try to have people to help you for bill. And them see you, man, help tear you down, you know, people. You wicked pan way out the road, you know, people. Bad, you know, people. I mean, if you tell you, man. But then now, we go back on topic again, buying the land. So now we get our paperwork, them, give them all the money for the land, cash. He said he wanted everything in cash. So I had to go to my bank account. And this is the next thing to, you know, people. So if you live overseas, Scotia Bank and CIBC Bank, please make sure you put all your money in the bank before you come to Jamaica. So nobody have to send you to Western Union. And if you're overseas like me in Toronto, Canada here, when people are help me out with money while I'm there, them just transfer it to my bank account and I could draw, people, I tell you, I draw over $8 to $10 million. How much? Wait there. Yes, people, I think I draw over $8 to $10 million in Jamaica. from my bank account. Yes. So don't make people don't follow people, but you can't, oh, your bank, you go pull money or you bring money. No. You can draw your money from your bank account in Jamaica. And my bank account was CIBC. And I draw every single dollar. I come back to Canada broke. Broke and hungry. They them drill me over there, you know, people. But now lose stop it. But me I say you can draw your money in Jamaica. Don't matter the limit, the amount. From you open up your amount in Jamaica from Canada, because I took the limit off, right? Before I went. Me at work, save up my money in my bank account. I only went down with probably about $1,000 Canadian in my bank pocket. Right? And I went to Jamaica and I draw all the money that I needed to do everything that I needed to do. You understand? So don't make people tell you fart at your ears. You understand? You can draw your money down there and do what you need to do. You don't need, and you know if you walk to Jamaica with millions in your pocket and people rob your killer, you know. Me say when me I draw money in people, me I draw money in half a tree. Me I draw all $1 million a day in people. You understand? I think my bank account only, when I was in Jamaica, they exceeded me at about, I think it was $300,000 or $400,000. And I had to draw $60,000 at a time per day, right? So some days I think I draw like 400,000, 300,000, because that machine won't let you draw more than that, I believe so, per daytime, right? So it's okay. You take your week and you draw the money where you need to draw. But me I tell you, people, when me I got the bank, them sometimes I park up at one place called Pavilion Mall. And when me I draw money, if you saw me looking, that time I used to grow my ear. And when me I draw money, people, me say, me look like some caveman because you're not going to rob me, me have to look worse than you. People, me say, me walk like a madman on the road, people. You cut up marina, half a pants, and look at slippers. Me look like a beggar. Yeah, people, you have to look worse than them down there, people. Because them look, you can't go as a pretty boy, but you draw money. Them, and every time you go to the bank there, people would watch you in half a tree. People would watch you, people. So you have to mind what you do, when you're down there, draw money, It's not pretty, you don't want nobody come kill you, After you work so hard. Feel like dividends over here, sir. You think it easy? You think it easy, people? I'm sorry again, people. The quality when I go shooting now mostly 1080p, I don't think I'm ready for the 4K quality yet because of the memory. But we'll see how this one look again. But back on topic, people, because this, like I said, this is just part one, the introduction of my channel, 416-8876 Jamaica. I want to like, subscribe, and share them video, people, because of knowledge me are good. Hey, people, you know, understand? And knowledge me how good in all of them videos, Them videos you know got normal, people. And I'm here alone. I got to sit down and take it time. Because right now, me have some time. Because right now, bookings them slow down per way. Work slow down. Soon I just start back my work again and think, as I don't know, I still try to finish up the Airbnb, the dream house in Jamaica. And we still have a quiet way to go. I'm going to show you an end product very soon of where we at. And where we need to get to. I buy black machine down there, people. All of them things that we soon get tonight, people. Till I say, Jaja, Father, God, you. It's not normal, man, people. It's not normal, a lie. It's not normal. You understand? But we get the land part over it, so people, again, like me, I say, travel to Jamaica, drive around. If it take you 1 week to drive around till you find a piece of land, ask questions. Ask questions, people. That's all you have to do, Ask, John Tam. And I don't know if Harry or Kevin or Mama Lou or whoever, nobody around so sell the land. You ask questions, man, because somebody must know something, people. You have to get out of your comfort zone because the land them people advertise a $5, $6, $7, $8 million type of land them. And then people are put up on the market. But sometimes you can't get some land when nobody not advertise. And you know what? You lick John Tom in a stressful position. And John Paul need all the money they can say, you know what? Give me a $2 million and go on. You understand me? I try to say people. Or at 15 or at 1.5. I say, yo, give me a 1.5 million and go on here, man. All the land probably worth all $3-4 million. You cut you down to all a million and say, yo, because you need the money. And so you have to lick them hard people and them time they know people. But the land, them realtor, you advertise, you can't buy it. But our local salary over here, so. And we actually buy house in Canada, and house in Jamaica, or wherever, England or America. It's wicked pan we know people. You think of chatting, you think of joking things, people. It's not normal, man. So, like me say, go to Jamaica. This is just the introduction of me. 416-876 Jamaica. You understand? If you know I'm showing more Toronto content while we are doing vlogging and stuff like that, I can. You just message me, you DM me, or anything like that. We show you all the content you need. If anybody who travel here, me have a whole heap of content for put out for easy people. But we just start off with house part. Because a whole heap of people over here who want to learn and want to have some knowledge of buying a property in Jamaica, or knowing how to go about that and stuff like that. You understand? Because a whole heap of us over here want to go back to Jamaica and we can't go back, you know, people. Remember me tell you that, you know, people. Sorry, them phone are ringing up, people. Walk on here, sir. 1 second, people. 1 second. I've been vlogging for like almost an hour right now. We're gonna chop the video up and show you guys all the stuff we need to show you. But yeah, people, this is the first vlog for 416-876 Jamaica. I want you guys to share this video to your friends, your family, everyone who's overseas, who's looking for knowledge to make a house in Jamaica or overseas or wherever. I just want some information. Just want somebody to be there in their corner. I'm there for you, people. You understand? Any questions and have to ask or anything like that, just let me know. I mean, answer. Alright, people? Because I can see some vlogging camera go dead out right now. First time I used to really do vlogging like that, you know, but look at the watch, you know. Power like that. So we just have to just get it done fast and quick and get the product out. But I will try to be consistent, give you guys a vlog per day. No, not per day, but probably 3 vlogs per week. Probably start out strong, you know, it's how it goes with work too, on video production and shooting and all that type of stuff. So it all depends. From I have the time, people, you know, so part 2 will be coming. Alright, people. So I'm just want to take care of yourself, you know, bless up on yourself and always keep a positive energy, you know. You understand? No fight fire, you know, you throw water upon that and make it cool down, you know. Sometimes you have to take the burning spot. You understand? Sometimes you just have to take a losing spot and move on with life. You understand? So, no fight fire with fire, people, and just take it easy and build. You understand? But yeah, man, people, like me say, if I have any questions, you guys want to ask me or anything like that, just leave it in the comment section. Please, again, people, subscribe. You understand? Please share this video with your friends, your family, whoever. Because we are push out it now, people. We are push out the content. Alright, people, I'm out.